Gramathy.
Trying to puzzle here.
You know the phrase, you gotta cough to get off?
Of course.
Well, thanks to the seductive art of Manjama meditation, my body and mind have linked to become one, in which I explode into an uncontrollable dragon of an orgasm every time I cough. You ever wonder what it feels like when your lungs come? I now know these ways.
Cough to get off is an old stoner expression for inhaling an assload of smoke until you cough and feel high, you fucking idiot. It has nothing to do with anything sexual.
I really don't think we should smoke in the same room for a while.